Morning children, today we are going to learn pronouns and its types. Okay children, firstly we'll see what is the definition of pronoun and then we'll go upon about different types. Okay children, first we'll see the definition. Definition of pronoun is nothing but a word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating nouns again and again. Okay children, instead of repeating nouns again and again, as I told you, Sita is example will take children. Sita is dancing, Sita is writing, Sita is playing. Instead of using again and again Sita, Sita, Sita and all, we can use in place of Sita, we can use she. Okay, Sita is writing, she is dancing and singing, like that. Okay, example. Okay, we'll see some sentences children. Example of some sentences of pronoun. She gave me a gift. Okay, she and me are pronoun. I gave her a book. Okay, again here I and her are pronoun. He runs fast. He is nothing but a pronoun. Okay, we went home early. We went home early. Children, in this also we is nothing but a pronoun. Okay, we went home. Okay, here particular we names are not mentioned, so we in generally we are calling we in place of nouns. We went home early, so we is nothing but a pronoun. Can you fix it? Again it is nothing but a pronoun. They play very well. They is nothing but pronoun. Okay, now we go upon to different types of pronoun. We have different types: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun and interrogative pronoun. First we'll see what is personal pronoun. The personal pronoun is nothing but they take the place of a person or a thing. Okay, personal pronoun take a place of a person or a thing. Example children, here for singular sentence we go upon with I, he, she, it, her, etc. For plural, they, their, us, we, them, etc. Okay, all these are personal pronoun. We'll see with the sentences children. Personal pronoun with the sentence. Now my name is Usha. Now my is nothing but a personal pronoun. Okay, now you can also say I'll say with the I think that I did well in the exam. Okay, I think means I am thinking. So that is about my view or my that I did very well in the exam. So I is nothing but a personal pronoun. Now here possessive pronoun. These are used instead of nouns to show position or relationship. Okay, here position is nothing but a ownership children. Okay, we'll see now here example: mine, ours, yours, his, her, theirs, etc. All these are possessive pronoun. Okay, all these are possessive pronoun. Example: this house is mine. Okay, this house is mine. Here mine is nothing but a possessive pronoun. This car belongs to theirs. Okay, there is nothing but a possessive pronoun. Now we'll go upon with reflexive pronoun. They are the pronouns on which the action done by the subject reflects upon it. Okay, whatever the subject is doing the action, that action reflects upon the subject itself. Okay children, here we'll see example: myself, himself, herself, yourself, themselves. All these are the examples of the reflexive pronoun. He talks to himself. Okay, with the sentence when we go, he talks to himself. He is nothing but a pronoun. He is talking to himself. Himself is again a reflexive pronoun. Okay, one more sentence. A lion can defend herself. A lion can defend herself. Herself again is a reflexive pronoun. Next we go on with the emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun, they show emphasis and are generally used after the pronoun. Okay, emphasis, again, it is nothing but a special importance. Meaning of emphasis, nothing but giving special importance. Okay, children. Now examples are himself, herself, myself. Now both this reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun, both the examples are same, but here what we'll see, the subject, here we'll see the subject, it is having special importance on the subject. Okay, we'll see with the when we'll go with the sentence, I myself prepared the dinner. So I'm giving importance to myself, that I have prepared the dinner. So myself is nothing but a emphatic pronoun. Now he himself solved all the problems. Okay, now teacher will be giving problems, so teacher will be telling to solve all the problems. So he himself solved the problem. So himself is nothing but a emphatic pronoun. Okay, children. Now indefinite pronoun, a pronoun which refers to a person or a thing in general. Okay, indefinite with generally, it is also like a common noun, children, commonly which we call this, is like that only. Now example, someone, everything, nobody, nothing, somebody, anything, etc. All these are nothing but indefinite pronoun. Now here we will go with the sentence. We'll see that everyone is shouting. Now teacher will be shouting in the class, everyone is shouting in the class. So everyone is nothing but a indefinite pronoun. Okay, no one is perfect in this world. Teacher is not mentioning a particular name of a girl or a boy. Okay, no one is perfect in this world. So no one is nothing but a indefinite pronoun. Next we'll see interrogative pronoun, children. They are used for asking question. Interrogative are nothing but they are used for asking question. Example is who, whom, whose, what, when, etc. All these are nothing but interrogative pronoun. Okay. We'll go with the sentence, why are you so shy? Okay, why is nothing but a interrogative pronoun. Whose car is this? Whose is nothing but again interrogative pronoun. Okay, so these are the different types of pronouns, children. We'll do the exercise in the next class. Okay, thank you for now. Have a nice day.